How to find drafts on Instagram. That's what I will show you in this video. But before we begin, make sure to subscribe to the channel and ring the bell to get notified whenever a new video is uploaded. With that said, let's get started. So the process is very easy and simple, and I'm going to show you how you can find all kinds of drafts. So that's story drafts, post drafts, and reels drafts. So let's go ahead and see how it's done. Open up Instagram, and we will first start with the post drafts. So let's go ahead and add a random post, say for example this one, and let's save it as a draft. Now, as you can see right here next to the recent drop down, there's a drafts option. If you click on it, you will be able to access your post drafts, where you will be able to manage them and continue to edit them, etc. So that was for the post draft. Now let's move on to the story draft. Now for the story draft is also pretty easy. So let me go ahead and add a random story. Say for example this one right here. Let's save it as a draft. Now once you are here, as you can see, we have saved it as draft. Click on the upload or the device gallery at the bottom left icon, this one right here. And also, as you can see, just like with the posts, next to the recent drop down, you will see a drafts option. If you click on it, you will be able to find all of your drafts that you can manage, etc. So that was for the story draft. Now let's head over to the reel draft, and let me quickly just add a random reel so I can save it as a draft. And here it's really self-explanatory. As you can see at the top, we have several options right here. Among them is the drafts option, where you will be able to find your drafts in one place right here for you to manage, etc. So that was it for this video. That's how you can find the drafts on Instagram. I showed you how you can find the post draft, the story draft, and the reels draft. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comment section down below. With that said, see you in the next video.